Check. What's up? I'm going to teach you in this tutorial PowerDirector 16 how to sync up volume. Now, one thing a lot of people probably don't know is they think they always need some super expensive camera. And that's not necessarily true for YouTube. You can actually get away with some of these $50 cams, action cams, you'll see on Amazon, but their audio is horrible. But if you get a different device, or you download an app for your phone, you could actually be using your phone to record the voice. Now you take something like this, for example, this Tascam, and there's smaller ones that are more affordable. I'll even have a link at the bottom for that if you guys want. But you could use this as a microphone. What do you think of this? What do you think of that? Well, you're recording video. Now, every camera, I'm telling you, when you get into audio, like this is being recorded off the Canon 80D. The audio is not too bad. But when you add an external microphone to it, it's amazing. I'm also recording on a GoPro 4, also on a GoPro 5, and we'll see how that sounds. But when I actually bring this audio in, and I sync it up, and I'm going to show you how to sync it up, you're going to be amazed. So you literally could get away with, say, a $50, $60 video camera off of Amazon with an app that you put on your phone that you record with, or you could buy a recording device and be super affordable to actually be making YouTube videos. It doesn't have to be done with expensive cameras whatsoever. But audio is a big key when you're actually making video, and knowing how to sync your audio. That's another thing. You could be in an environment, for example. You could be in an environment, for example, where there's a lot of cars, a lot of background noise, where now you might want to have this, within a certain distance. With this one here, you can actually hook mics to it. So, I mean, you can actually have it sitting in your pocket when you're doing records, and now you don't hear those cars and buses and everything in the background. Audio is a big thing. When you actually take your audio separately compared to your video, you do have a little bit more control over it when you edit. But we're going to teach you how to use PowerDirector 16 and sync up your audio to match different forms. And I'm going to have it where you actually hear the audio on the Hero 4, on the GoPro 5, and you're going to hear the difference in the audio on the Canon 80D. I'm going to switch as I'm talking about this to you guys, and I'll even have the text up there to tell you what's going on. When we're done here, I'm going to show you how I sync it up with actually what I'm recording off of here. Which, like I said, you could record off your cell phone and then sync your cell phone up with whatever camera you're using. So let's get over to it, and let me show you how I sync it up. In PowerDirector 16, we can actually sync our audio with our video. Now that can benefit you if you actually download an app and you record your audio, say on a cell phone or another device, and your video doesn't have very good audio. Now how we do this in PowerDirector 16, for example, I'm going to bring this down here, and this is actually done on my Canon 80D. Is what I recorded that on, and this was recorded on my Tascam. So you're going to bring the two down. Now first I'm going to line up my video to do what I want, and that wasn't a very good video there. And I'll cut this part out here so I can really mess with this. Okay, so let's say I cut that out there, and I back off my video. And notice this, I mean, the audio for my video is way smaller than the audio of my Tascam, right? Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to right click and I'm going to unlink my audio. So this way it's not together with my video for now. To sync this up, where this audio matches the video when I'm talking, all we have to do is click the audio at the bottom, which could be our cell phone or external device, whatever it is. Hold our control key down and click that there. So now we got both audio selected, they're in blue, and you'll notice here on your menu it says sync by audio. All I have to do is click that, and it's going to run through the process of syncing the two audios up together. That is how easy it is and done. Now these two audios are completely synced up, as you can see there. So if I actually line them up now, Now I can click on this one, I can cut it, and now this bottom is synced with the top one. I can remove the two of them, and I may want to turn around and gap the other side too, so just to make sure, I'll bring this one over and I'll line that up there. I'll get this one, I'll click it, boom. So there. My video audio is now matched with my Tascam audio, which could be your cell phone audio. So now I simply bring that, I'll drop that underneath there, and we'll see if I actually got it pretty good. Check, check, check. What's up? I'm going to teach you in this tutorial of PowerDirector 16 how to sync up volume. So as you can see, I did sync up the audio with the Tascam quite easily. You simply select the two audios, you'll see the menu item appear, hit sync, boom, your audios are synced up. It is so easy to do in PowerDirector 16. There really is no reason why you can't do it. So give it a try, play around with your PowerDirector 16, and sync up your audio and make better videos. Would you like me to give your channel a shout out? Send me a private message and I might just include your channel at the end of a tutorial. This is Steve Foco. I hope I'm saying that right. He does survival, camping, outdoors, crafting. He tries all kinds of things. I actually seen him trying to cook rice underground. That video was quite interesting. So if you want, go give Steve Foco a try, sub up, and you might learn how to cook rice underground. I'll catch you guys on the next one.